So the basic product has 3 parts. There's a faceplate, there's a backplate, and there's a switch. This one here is a simple on-off rocker switch. Pretty obvious, right? Tap the bottom, turn the light off. Tap the top to turn the light on. Our key innovation is the fact that anyone, you don't have to be an electrician, you don't have to turn off the power or anything like that. Anyone in seconds can say, I really wish I had a dimmer in the dining room. Now I have a dimmer in the dining room. On, off, slide your finger, simple. If you wanted to move and you said, actually, beyond it just being a dimmer, I want to be able to control it with my voice and use Alexa or Google. I want to control it with an app, schedule my lights to turn on and off at a certain time, right? Now I've just installed a smart dimmer, again in 2 to 3 seconds. Once the backplate is installed in the home, and that happens at new construction or renovation, you can even retrofit this to an existing home if you wanted to. But once this backplate is in, it's just like a connector that anybody can easily change the product from. And that's kind of the simplicity around Deako, is that we wanted to make it such that smart lighting or even just personalizing your home is accessible for anyone.